Discover the best of China with China Connect. From insider tips to must-see destinations, we'll guide you through living, studying, traveling, and working in this fascinating country. Let's get started. Get ready for a mouth-watering adventure as we dive into the colorful, fragrant, and bustling world of Chinese street food. From sizzling skewers to steaming dumplings, China's street food markets offer a tantalizing array of flavors and dishes that will make your taste buds dance with delight. So, grab your chopsticks and join us on this epic culinary journey as we explore China's best street food markets and uncover the most delicious and unique dishes each location has to offer. Number 1. Beijing, the capital of street food. No street food adventure in China would be complete without a visit to its capital, Beijing. From the famous Peking duck to the lesser-known but equally delicious donkey burgers, the streets of Beijing offer a smorgasbord of flavors that will have you craving more. In Beijing, you'll discover an incredible assortment of street food that will leave you craving more. Start your adventure at the bustling Wangfujing Snack Street, where you can try local favorites like Peking duck, jianbing, and even fried scorpions. As the sun sets, make your way to Guijia, aka Ghost Street, for a nighttime feast of spicy crayfish, lamb skewers, and mouth-numbing Sichuan dishes. Don't forget to visit the Nyojia Muslim Snack Street for a unique fusion of Chinese and Islamic flavors, such as tender, spiced beef and lamb skewers, and the famous Beijing-style Jiangmian. Number 2. Shanghai, a taste of modern China. As China's most cosmopolitan city, Shanghai offers a diverse and innovative street food scene. From the classic xiaolongbao, soup dumplings, to the city's own take on fried chicken, you'll be spoilt for choice in this foodie paradise. Shanghai boasts diverse and innovative street food options. Sample the classic xiaolongbao and pan-fried dumplings at the historic Yuyuan Bazaar, or head to East Nanjing Road for shengjianbo and the city's explosive cumin-spiced fried chicken. For a charming escape from the city's hustle, take a short train ride to Qibao Ancient Town, where you can enjoy crispy, sugar-coated hawthorn berries on a stick, a local favorite. Number 3. Chengdu, the spicy wonderland. If you have a penchant for spice, Chengdu is your dream destination. As the capital of Sichuan province, this city is known for its numbingly spicy cuisine that will send your taste buds into overdrive. Chengdu is a dream destination for spice lovers. Explore the lantern-lined Jinli Ancient Street and sample fiery classics like Mapo tofu, dandan noodles, and Sichuan-style hot pot. For a more relaxed atmosphere, head to Quanzhai Alley, where you can enjoy spicy skewers, delicate glutinous rice cakes, and even a Sichuan-style tea ceremony. Don't miss the Wuhusi Street Food Market, a haven for food lovers, where you can try dishes like husband and wife lung slices, spicy rabbit head, and mouth-watering shui zhuyu. Number 4. Xi'an, a Silk Road feast. As the starting point of the ancient Silk Road, Xi'an boasts a rich culinary history that combines flavors from across China and Central Asia. From the famous biang noodles to succulent lamb kebabs, this city is a must-visit for food lovers. Xi'an offers a rich culinary history that combines flavors from China and Central Asia. Visit the bustling Muslim quarter for a fusion of flavors from across the Silk Road, including juicy lamb kebabs, rou jiaimo, and the unique biang noodles. For a modern take on Xi'an's culinary scene, head to Yangtzeifang Food Street and sample creative dishes like persimmon-stuffed glutinous rice balls, deep-fried ice cream, and a Chinese take on pizza. Number 5. Guangzhou, Cantonese delights. Guangzhou, the capital of Guangdong Province, is famous for its Cantonese cuisine, which offers a lighter and more delicate take on Chinese flavors. From dim sum to the city's famous Three Treasures, you're in for a treat in Guangzhou. In Guangzhou, you'll experience the lighter and more delicate flavors of Cantonese cuisine. Stroll down Shangxiaju Pedestrian Street and try the city's famous Three Treasures, crispy pork belly, roast goose, and soy sauce chicken, or sample a variety of dim sum dishes like har gao and siu mai. For a more local experience, visit Huifu Snack Street and savor the city's famous claypot rice, freshly made rice noodle rolls, and even snake soup for the adventurous foodies. Number 6. Hangzhou, a taste of heaven, famed for its breathtaking natural beauty. Hangzhou is also home to a rich culinary tradition that has earned it the title of Heaven on Earth for food lovers. From the famous West Lake fish to the city's signature Longjing tea, Hangzhou offers a delightful array of flavors. Hangzhou is also home to a rich culinary tradition that makes it a heaven on earth for food lovers. Sample Hangzhou's signature dishes like West Lake fish, beggar's chicken, and Dongpa pork on Hefang Street. For dessert, try the delicate osmanthus-flavored glutinous rice balls or the refreshing Longjing tea-infused ice cream. As night falls, visit the bustling Wushan night market for stinky tofu, fried river shrimp, and jujube-stuffed glutinous rice cakes. With its diverse and vibrant street food scene, China offers a culinary adventure like no other. From the sizzling skewers of Beijing to the delicate flavors of Hangzhou, each city offers its own unique take on China's rich culinary heritage. So, as we wrap up this mouth-watering journey, we hope you're inspired to explore the wonderful world of Chinese street food for yourself. Just remember to bring your appetite. Thanks for joining us on this journey through China. Please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share with your friends. Subscribe for more videos and let us know your questions or suggestions in the comments. With your help, we can share the wonders of this incredible country with the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.